So hello everyone, my name is Arstan. Welcome to our first session of Python programming. Today we'll start with the basics to get you comfortable with the Python, and by the end of this lesson you will know what Python is, how to install it, set up an IDE, and you will write your first Python script. So let's start. So what Python is? Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language. It's known for its simplicity and readability. This makes it one of the best languages for beginners. So, also, Python is incredibly versatile. Some of its common uses include like web development using frameworks like Django or Flask, and game development such as building 2D or 3D games with a Pygame library, scripting and automation like automating repetitive tasks, and general purpose programming for building utilities, tools, scripts, or anything you can imagine. And Python stands out because it's easy to learn, highly readable, and has a vast library ecosystem for almost any application you want to create. So let's download our Python and setting up the IDE. So you have to go there, type download Python, and you will see that the website called python.org. So you are pressing there and pressing to download Python 3.13. I've already downloaded it, so I have to go there, continue, agree. Okay, there's nothing to do. There's always standard install. The version is enough for you, so you'll just have to click to the install button and wait for some time. Okay, we have downloaded it. So the second thing you have to do is go again to Google and type download VS Code. You'll see that website code.visualstudio.com, and you're pressing to download for macOS. I've already downloaded it, so you'll just have to install it to your computer. You're pressing there and waiting. Open. So okay, yeah, we're ready. For example, we have a snake game. As you can see, it's working, and it calculates your score at the top and your highest score. So for example, if I will die and restart the game and again die, it will save your high score. So the second example of using the Python is creating the calculator application. For example, if you want to calculate 8 times 9, it will be equals to 72 minus 9, it will be 63. So let's open your IDE file, in text file. You are pressing there, select a language and typing Python. So you have set up your Python library, Python environment, and let's just write the primitive code. For example, print, opening the brackets, and for example, hello world. And to run the code, you have to press to that play button. Okay, let's call it lesson 1. And as you can see there, it print out the hello world message to us. So you should see the output there. And congratulations, you have written your first Python program. So let's move on. And let's talk about the Python syntax. Python is known for its clean and simple syntax. Unlike the other programming languages, Python uses indentation to define code blocks. This means the number of spaces or tabs you use is crucial. For example, okay, if we write there if 5 is greater than 3, um, will it will print, for example, 5 is greater than 3, and you see the output. The indentation after the if statement tells Python what belongs inside the block. If you remove the spaces, Python will throw an error. For example, if you will type like this, you will have this indentation error. So you have to press the tab button on your keyboard. So it's gonna work. So the second thing I wanted to say to you is you may comment your Python code. For example, read the Python hello Arstan, how are you? We see their output and we want to comment it. So we may comment at the top of it, for example, this single line comment. So the comment is used to programmers to read what the code is about, but the user will not see it in the output. So for example, if we have a complex code and you want to share it with the other developers, it will be quite hard for them to understand your code. So that's why we're using the comments. And you may type the comment at the right side of your code, for example, there, example, and it will still work. And also, if you want to not use your code, obviously you can just delete it or just type there another bracket, so it will comment the whole code, as you can see there. So if you want to multi-line comments, for example, write to triple quotes, you have to use 3 quotes there and type there, for example, this is a multi-line comment. So it explains the code below. So the user will see no output there, but we know that we can see that multi-line comment there explains. So okay, let's move on. So using the comments makes your code more readable and easier to understand. So that's it. That was our first lesson. We have so let's recap. What did we do today? Today we learned what the Python is and explored its use cases. We installed Python and set up an IDE for development, wrote and ran our first Python script, and we have seen that importance of indentations and how to write the comments. So I want to say great job to everyone.